Seabreeze. A Seabreeze is a cocktail containing vodka with cranberry juice and grapefruit juice. The cocktail is usually consumed during summer times or summer months. The drink may be shaken in order to create a foamy surface, or we can build in this highball. First, put some ice. $60 ml vodka, $60 ml cranberry, $30 ml grapefruit juice, stir it gently. With the garnish, and you have it, the Seabreeze. But if you want, we can shake also. You remove this and use this one. Stick like this to make a foam. Very difficult to remove. Yes. Okay, just pull like this. And you have a foamy Seabreeze. You can put some straw and then enjoy your Seabreeze.